How to recover Roblox account without email or password. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then just go ahead and type in roblox.com and then just do /support like so, and then go over to roblox.com. It's going to say help.roblox.com. Go ahead and press accept all. Then just go ahead and find a way to, contact them. So you can just go, I need help with my account. And then it's going to have a lot of different things. You can just do something like my account was hacked. What do I do? It shows you different, methods and everything. But then it also says for more information and to seek assistance, contact customer support. So you can go directly to this. It's going to say roblox.com/support. And then all you got to do is give it as much information as possible. Now, whether you don't have the email address that you had access to or your phone number or your account got hacked, it all applies the same. So enter your username, your first name, your email address, and obviously just enter in the email address that you are able to get contacted with. And basically, let's say you have a secondary email address and the first email address got hacked, or you don't have access to that, or your phone number. Enter in the email address you do have access to, then type it in again at confirm email address. It's going to ask you what type of device you're having a problem on. So whatever your main device you play on is, go ahead and select that. And then as for category type, just do account hacked or can't log in. And there's obviously going to be different ones as well, but that's going to be the best one for you. So just go ahead and do that. And then it's going to ask for a subcategory. You can do account hacked, or you could also do forgot password. And, or, if there's something more specific, you can also do other login issues. And where it says, please describe your issue, give it as much information as you possibly can. Give it the email address that was on your main account, either before it got hacked or before you got locked out of it because you don't have access to the email or phone number. Give it any previous emails, any previous phone numbers, any billing proof, which is the strongest evidence. So any amount of Robux that you spent, even if it's been in the last 6 months or anything like that. Mention the city or state where you usually play Roblox. And if you use any physical Roblox gift card, include a PIN code from the back of the card as well. After you hit submit, you'll receive an automated confirmation email with a ticket number. So then just wait 24 to 48 hours and a human will review your billing history and IP logs. If they verify you, they'll send you a special password reset link to your new email address.